Engineering at Home, with Stephen the Engineer. So, you wake up, drag yourself to the kitchen, and reach for that life-restoring elixir, coffee. But ever thought about the marvel of engineering that sits right on your kitchen counter? Why, you ask? Well, because it's about time we put on our engineering hats and explore the science behind our beloved cup of joe. Are you ready to elevate your brewing game to the next level? Coffee lovers, we assure you, this journey is about to get as rich and invigorating as a perfectly brewed espresso shot. We know the idea of perfecting your coffee brew might seem a tad intimidating. But don't worry, we're not talking rocket science here, although we are talking physics and a little bit of chemistry. And a whole lot of fun, of course. Our journey begins with an important piece of engineering, your coffee machine. These wonder gadgets are a testament to human ingenuity. But what's really going on inside these mysterious machines when they're hard at work? Let's start with the beans, the very heart of your cup of coffee. You see, the type of grind you choose, from coarse to fine, plays a critical role in the extraction process. But here's the kicker, it's all about the surface area. More surface area means more extraction, but go too far, and you might end up with a bitter cup. Oh, the delicate balance of coffee chemistry. And here's where the physics comes in. You've got the ideal grind, now what about water? Too hot, and you over-extract. Too cold, and you under-extract. And then there's the brewing method. Do you prefer the immersion style of a French press, the pressure method of an espresso machine, or the vacuum process of a siphon brewer? Isn't it fascinating how each brewing method is a different application of engineering principles? You're not just making coffee. You're manipulating pressure, temperature, and time to get that perfect cup. Now, let's talk about the crema, that lovely frothy layer on your espresso. It's not just there to look pretty. The crema is all about emulsification, an engineering concept involving mixing two liquids that usually don't mix. In this case, coffee oils and water. So the next time you marvel at that crema, remember, it's a little bit of engineering magic. Here's something else you may not have considered, the shape of your coffee mug. Yes, even that can affect your coffee experience. A wide mug, for instance, lets the aroma reach your nose, enhancing the flavor. So, you see, coffee isn't just a beverage. It's an experience crafted with scientific precision. The takeaway? You don't need an engineering degree to understand the physics and chemistry at play every time you brew coffee. It's not just about caffeinating. It's about appreciating the art and science of coffee brewing. So the next time you sip your coffee, give a nod to the marvel of engineering that made it possible. Alright, now go ahead, look at your coffee machine with newfound respect, and let your next coffee brewing session be a scientific experiment. Happy brewing!